Time will bring the real end about your eye. There'll be no remnants, no trace, no residual feelings within you. Then you won't remember me.
That's what I need.
Your face will be the reason I smile, but I will not see what I cannot have forever. I'll always love you. You feel the same. Oh, baby girl, gave me so bad.
Yes, trying to.
My affliction had to fill out my prescription.
Yes, so.
I just set you free.
I think I'm gonna turn to a crackhead.
To see clearly the way that love can be when you are not with me. I had to live, I had to live, I had to leave. I had to live, I had to leave, I had to live. Love set you free to flap your red wings around. Wings, your red wings, your pretty wings, pretty wings. Love set you free to flap your red wings around. Wings, your red wings, your pretty wings. I came wrong, you were right. Transformed your love into life. Baby, believe me, I'm sorry I told you lies. I turned day into night, sleep in the night 1,000 times. I should have showed you better nights, better times, better days.
Hi ladies, welcome in. Hello. Hi guys, welcome in. Hello. Takeaway guys will be on this side if you want to order something quick. If you want to wait in about 7 to 6 minutes, upstairs there will be chairs, dining, seating. Breakfast will be 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Yep. Hi guys, hello. Takeaway will be on this side.
Y'all got an elevator? Shoot.
Upstairs if you want to wait.
Or this the line?
Breakfast, other options, gelato will all be upstairs. Yep. Hi guys, hello. Takeaway will be here. 8 o'clock upstairs will open for breakfast, gelato, other special drinks, cocktails, and alcohol. Okay.
I have no idea. That is
Do they know how to
there
do
was
meat?
there a minute or so.
I think this one's like salmon and stuff.
Okay. That make me want dessert and not even bread. I think I want a raspberry and pistachio. Are they stuffed or is it just on the top? Question. Stuffed or just on the top?
What you asked for? Can I get avocado added to my little sandwich? Raspberry marmalade, butter, add olive oil, add some salt. And I'm making some. That's really good. It's probably nothing. And yeah, she's pretty cool with like things like that. I really appreciate it. And then it does ask more questions. Oh, okay, that's what that is.
I think it's a little
in the middle because when I bit into it, it tasted kind of sweet.
I don't know if I want to try the sweet first or the savory. I'm gonna try the. I don't know. I don't know.
I say try the savory one first.
I don't know. Okay, let me show y'all. Oh, it smells real savory. Okay, I'm gonna add avocado. Cause that's what I need. Please be good. Oh. Let's try this thing. That's actually pretty good. I ain't hear nobody no napkins.
Like a Philly or something like that.
Mm-hmm.
It tastes like Philadelphia cream cheese.
Let me try a piece. I can't even break this motherfucker. You like pistachio?
I haven't tried
It tastes like chocolate a little bit. Oh, shit. Goddamn. Oh, that's good. Why is it so hard to break? What the hell? Why? That's new. Going up. It said they have 5 floors. The terrace is closed for renovations, but the 4th floor is where the party at. That's what they trying to tell us. Oh no. Let me. Oh. Ouch, my ears hurt. Let me tell y'all something about these bumps and shit and all this luggage I got.
4.
Yeah. 4.
You said what? You said 3?
4.
Oh, okay.
Ooh. It's leaning. My bad. Oh. This is nice. This is nice. I don't see no roaches or nothing. Oh. I'm gonna make a whole circle. I'll be back. I know. We should come up here. Bag, don't fall. That'll piss me off. Don't do that. Gosh. It's so nice. I wonder if I could get a good little photo. I don't know why I think that ain't nobody gonna steal them from me in here, but I don't.
I don't.
I mean, you could try this shit heavy. Do what you go.
That's why I'm like,
I got trackers on everything.
and you have a
Do what you gonna do. Oh my gosh, y'all. We have made it. I'm at the Starbucks Rosary. It's so pretty. It's not a rosary, girl. The Starbucks Roastery. Starbucks Reserve Roastery. I've been saying rosary every 5 seconds, and just don't judge me. At the Starbucks Rosary Reserve. This is a beautiful shot. So pretty. Hello, great. Okay.
Yeah, how you ordered the ladies? Are you ordering anything?
Yes, trying to.
You gonna be behind that. Hi.
Yes. So my question is, what would you recommend? Like, what do you have that's like sweet, maybe fruity?
We don't have anything fruity, but
Okay.
I think this recipe martini is very good. It's like nice, sweet and creamy.
Okay.
The what? The martini. The same stuff are like this recipe martini type. Or like the matcha margarita is like.
I would do the colorful flight. I would do that other flight, the colored one. The dark one. I don't want that. I'm scared. You want to do that one?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm kind of excited about that one.
Okay. This is what we got, y'all. Hopefully y'all can see that. So we got the seasonal cocktail flight, a colorful flight of spring-inspired cocktails. We have the first one, which is the pink one. Let me do a little montage. So this is the pink one. This is the Ubu Espresso Martini. These glasses are so cute. This is the second one. And we have a double matcha margarita. Ooh.
She said it too fast for me to understand what she said. This is something.
And then this is our third and last one. We have our classic espresso martini.
I'm kind of scared to try that one.
So I think I'm gonna go that direction. I'm gonna drink that.
Which one was this one?
That's a classic espresso martini.
Okay, this is a regular express.
I'm gonna start with that because I don't think I'm gonna like that.
You're right.
Because I don't like coffee. I'll mind y'all. I like the smell of coffee. I like maybe a hint of coffee, but I do not like the flavor of coffee. I like my coffee to taste like sugar and sweet and ice and spice and everything nice. So let's see what she's giving.
I'm gonna try the one.
She's so cute, and my nails so long for this little. Girl, let me use my vision. The top of my ears hurt so bad. I had to re-put the tops in. I don't normally wear anything in them, so they sore as hell. Okay. I'm trying this one first, and just to be bougie, I'm gonna just drink. I don't normally drink out of people's glasses and shit, but. Oh, shit. You ain't like that? Oh my God, we fucked up, huh? I need a straight shot. This shit in this.
The phone.
I think I'm gonna turn into a crackhead.
Baby, we finna be
We not gonna even get to sleep on this flight. We gonna be in that bitch for a while. Oh, this disgusting. I should have known. I need to look at they other drinks. I'm gonna need something to wash this shit down.
No, for real. That's
Y'all got a Sprite? Fuck it. We might have to go walk to a little corner store. This ain't what I want. This is not good. Let me try.
we did not think this shit was like. We got
Oh.
alcohol and coke. Either
Oh my God, I forgot it's alcohol in here.
either our stomach finna hurt, we ain't finna get no sleep, or we finna be acting like crackheads for the next 24 hours. So this vlog finna get real interesting for the next few hours.
I can't drink this shit. I don't. One more.
You try that one. I think
What that tastes like?
it's better than the other two.
I had to get some goddamn water. This shit stressing me out.
The phone is my favorite part, actually. If I didn't say that already.
This is what? Good? Better?
It's better. You might have a different reaction to that one, but the same. You might have the same one, but it's a different reaction.
Because it's giving jump scare.
It's giving. We not gonna finish this motherfucker. So this
It smells good.
This is a
What that smell like? I didn't even do a smell.
That's straight coffee.
This smells good. Did you smell
I
it?
smell it. This one is like this is a regular espresso martini. I don't think
It's
I would
coffee
like
in
it.
here.
I know I'm not gonna like
It's coffee in here, but I could drink that. Brace yourself. Yeah.
it. Yeah. I know I don't like it, but I'm gonna still try the phone because I've been trying it for this. Very freaking hard. Okay, y'all.
I have to do a water break in between this shit.
No, for real. So I'm not gonna lie. Definitely gotta throw it off a little bit.
All right, let's try her.
You might actually like that one. It's still a little kick, but you might like it.
It smells like lime-ish.
Oh yeah, that one did have.
It kind of smells like a hint of lime.
That's why it was sweet.
Yeah, I smell something citrusy.
It's given tequila.
Oh, I could drink. Yeah.
I told you.
Do they have this by itself?
Probably. It actually is fine.
Y'all know what this tastes like? This tastes like the drink that I kind of had at the ice cream museum. I got a peach and mango margarita with lime foam on top. That lime fucking foam was fire. Yeah, they had a liquor option. This is good. How much? Let me see if I can find what it is, because I need something to chase this down.
We is drinking at what?
We're drinking liquor and coffee at 9 a.m.
We tipsy at 9 a.m.
You tipsy?
I'm getting up there.
Dad did that for you?
Cause I'm already high.
Lightweight.
That double shot from the concert last night. Oh.
I know. Thank you.
Down here is to go, more food, more cafe options. And that's just like
Oh, a picture right here. Damn, it's gonna be so many people trying to get this done. Yep. Okay, y'all, so the Starbucks Rosary was really nice, great experience. The drinks was good, the little pastries and food that we had was good. I will be coming back, so if you ever in Chicago, I will recommend that you come to the Starbucks Reserve Roastery because, yeah, clock that tea. So, yeah.